My name's Ryan Mansonitis. We have a dairy and a processing plant and a retail store. We worked with Lasso to do all the hard minutia. It was fantastic because you probably, like us, are a business owner and you just start running out of time. And so having Lasso do a bunch of the grunt work, I would say, on the grant that we just applied for was super helpful. So we're hoping that we get the grant that we just applied for, but either way, they were a big help in that whole process. So good luck if you're doing grants, and check them out.